Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So tonight we are going to make squid adobo. Our ingredients are squid, thyme, bay leaves, onion, garlic, chili, vinegar, soy sauce, cooking oil. Now let's start. Prepare your pan. Make it sure that it's warm. And then put on oil. Wait a little bit before you start putting your ingredients. Now put your garlic. Stir it. Keep stirring. Until it turns a little bit brown. Next, add your onion. Stir it together. Next, add your chili. If you don't like to make it spicy, you don't need to add your chili. Next, add your squid. I marinated it with salt and zest of lemon. Keep stirring. Now add your bay leaves. You can add 4 pieces of bay leaves. Next, your whole pepper. It's good to have your spices while you are cooking it or stirring it to make and have a good smell or the aroma. Next, add your thyme. If you have fresh one, better, but if you don't have, you can add dried thyme. Next, dark soy sauce. You can use less sodium soy sauce or whatever soy sauce do you have at home. Next, vinegar. I like to use balsamic, but you can use any brand of vinegar, whatever you have at home. Cover it. And cook it for 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's ready. All you need to do is keep stirring it to make the flavor equal. Now, looks yummy. It's ready to eat. This kind of delicacy is perfect. Yes, it's ready to eat. Kain na! Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. And don't forget to click that bell button to notify for my next video. Bye!